Satnam. Today we are going to perform the Ego Eradicator, and this exercise is great to change your mood if you feel a little bit down. It helps you to relax the parasympathetic and sympathetic nervous system. It creates fire within you and it expands your lungs, and it is just simply an aura cleanser. So come to sit in your favorite pose. So that can be any cross-legged position or rock pose. So rock pose, you would sit just on your heels. Sit up tall, sit up nice, elongate your spine, roll your shoulders back. And then we are going to take the arms up for 60 degrees. So you're going to have them straight and maintain them straight, and then just roll in your fingertips and keep the thumbs nice and long and expanded, and then relax your shoulders. And for this particular Kriya, we're going to close the eyes fully and gently apply the neck lock, and we are going to practice for 1 minute. So I'm going to put on the timer, and we are going to inhale and exhale once, and then we start with the breath of fire. Inhale full and complete, and exhale full and complete, and 1 minute begins now. Inhale, retain your breath, and then open the fingertips. Take your thumbs gently touching, and close your Mula Bandha. Hold your breath, and then on your exhalation, gently sweep the arms down. And then meditate in that space you created. Take your hands in Gyan Mudra, thumb and index finger touching slightly, and the other 3 fingers are extended. Remain seated in meditation for about 3 minutes, and then continue your practice. Thank you for watching. Satnam.